This corn is different. There is a cob together with the flowers. Look, and there too. Two of them. We are going to pick up our corn today. Pluck our corn. Or, yeah. And put in a box.
Now, should do this with a little one.
Yeah, that's what I need. Farmer, the corn chopper. Where's your cow? The cow loves to eat this.
I know. Oh, you can turkeys out later.
And this corn is different. There is a cob together with the flowers. Look, and there too. Two of them. And this is the biggest the day I pick up. I mean I pluck. Huh. Done like a dinner, like a dinner. I would like to see if there is a corn in that side.
Corn in here?
Yeah. Oh, there is. See guys, there's a corn inside. See the corn is out from the clothes house already. From
In the bed.
from the bed. Okay, done. Like a dinner, like a dinner.
Good.
So we're done harvesting our corn from the west side of the garden. Do you think we're done?
We're done.
We're in the other side still.
One more over there?
Yes. So we done harvesting our corn. Oh, we still have in the greenhouse. So we done harvesting our corn. That's the corn with sunflower seeds. Yeah, with sunflower seeds. We have to save some our sunflower seeds so that We can feed to the bird and we can plant next year again. So we're done harvesting our corn and picking our sunflower seeds. Show it here, show it here. Yeah, how big is that, guys? It's huge sunflower seeds. So now
This
we're
one's
done
bigger.
harvesting. Yeah, this is bigger. This is see, it's huge. Yeah. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe Farm Girl Canada, like and share, and press the notification bell so that you are updated for my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Oh, there was this kids, school kids.
Yeah, sunflower and corn harvesting today. So we are almost done. Thank you for watching, guys. This is huge sunflower, guys. I think, I don't know how many inches, maybe 12. One ruler. Yeah, from here to here.
Oh, more than 12 inches.
Yeah, so more than 12 inches, guys. This is huge sunflowers. Yeah, so we have to save that for our seeds next year, or for the birds. You see?
This
How
one is
big is
dark
it?
seeds and this one
Yeah.
is white seeds.
See, it's big seeds. White. You get only one. Oh yes, you have dark.
What?
You have dark seeds too
Where?
inside there. Oh no, it's white. So you have only
no,
one. So he's cutting another sunflower seeds so that he can save for his birds and planting next year. It's huge, guys. See? Yeah, two of that, my hands. And he cut off again another one more. I think the birds, most of them, they eat already. Show me.
This one?
Yeah, show me, show me.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Yes, it's white color too.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay. Oh, it's nice. Just like a heart shape, eh? Look at this,
Yeah.
look at this. How they eat.
Yeah.
See, it's a heart shape.
But these seeds aren't very big.
Yeah, this
But
not.
they're purple more than white.
Uh-huh.
Right?